Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up the DRS starter bundle. To begin, you need to download the files from the starter channel in the Discord server and then insert them into your game. You can add the files into Studio by right-clicking Workspace and then Insert from File. Once you've done this, ungroup the files and publish the game. You then need to enable HTTP requests by going to Settings, Security, and enabling the toggle. Make sure to save your selection. After this, you need to retrieve DRS code and drag it into server storage. If you look in the Explorer, there are some items labelled Delete Me. These contain setup information. Feel free to delete them as you wish. Next, you need to move some tools into a few locations, some in server storage and some in starter pack. Click on the items, open the part in the Explorer and then open Tools. You can then drag the individual items into the stated locations. Once you've moved the tools, server storage and starter pack should look like this. To configure products, find the tool in the Explorer, click on Handle and view the properties of the EAN string. You need to make sure that the value number is unique, as it is what you use to set up products. Once you have copied the EAN value, go to Products Config, found under Settings, and then within the Configurations folder. From here, you can customize your list of products, such as price, name, and age restriction. Copy the EAN value into the square brackets at the top. If you want to create more products, simply duplicate this code beneath itself as many times as you wish, customizing the information and the EAN number. To configure staff accounts, find Account Config, again under Settings and the Configurations folder, and then you can customize permissions and passwords for different accounts. To allow operator barcodes to access different accounts, note the ID of the account found in the square brackets, and copy that number into the ID string found within the operator barcode tool. To configure individual checkouts, click Terminals, find the checkout you wish to customize, and then click the lane configuration script. From here, you can customize the checkout settings. Most importantly, every lane number needs to be unique, otherwise your checkout will not boot correctly. To change who can open the control box and use the gate on manual checkouts, open Whitelist under DRS Till Conveyor v2. You can then add individual players or roles within a group to the whitelist. There are also some miscellaneous settings that can be customised, although completely optional, and this can be changed within the misc config script, again found under Settings and the Configurations folder. Here, you can change the decals for our notes and coins, and you can also change the sounds for our voice messages on our checkout lanes. Please note, to change the settings within both the retail POS system and the self-checkout system, you must change the individual configuration scripts within the retail POS folder and the self-checkout folder. To make sure the self-checkout transaction logger works, select the part and drag it into the Accessories folder within the DRS self-checkout system folder. When using our custom price tags, simply insert the EAN number into the EAN string within the model, and the tag will update to show the product name and price. If you would like to change anything about our checkouts, like the EFT readers or tri-lights, simply read the development instructions on them, as they tell you what to do. Finally, to create multiple ATMs, open the DRS ATM System v2 folder, and then duplicate the original ATM. Make sure to keep all terminals within the Terminals folder. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please open a ticket in our Discord server via discord.gg/DRS.